Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can fix the device screen resolution issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, press your Windows key and search for Device Manager. Click on this. Now go to Display Adapters. Expand this. Right click on the display adapter that you have and click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers. And once this process is complete, you can close this. Right click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, scroll down, and you will see Scale and Layout here. Inside Scale and Layout, choose a display resolution that is recommended for you. And in the scale, you can change this to recommended, but play around with the different scales and see which works best for you. So if I want to choose 125, I'll do 125. And you can choose different scales and see which works best, but make sure that your display resolution is the one that is recommended. And now your display resolution issues should have been fixed.